I'm Josh, this is Colin, and this is Perseverance, our floating off-grid home. Come explore with us as we sail to new places, we learn how to protect our environment, and see how we coexist with nature. We'll also make lots of friends along the way.
We are in Annapolis. We are back in Annapolis. The boat show is this week, so we are taking the bikes to shore and running some errands, picking up some boat parts. This is the part where Josh picks me up. And we are very excited because we are picking up our Max prop, which just arrived this morning. It's just spring. There appears to be an issue.
We might have a carburetor issue.
The good news is the wind is drifting us this way, and that's the direction we need to go.
We'll get there eventually. Lube this chain.
We haven't used these bikes since we were passing through Annapolis northbound at the same boat ramp.
So if you can lift the back of the bike, I can spin the chain. After we picked up our new prop, we hung out on the boat and eagerly awaited our haul out the next day.
Good morning. Today is a very exciting day. We are going to be motoring to Bert Jabin Yacht Yard, and we are getting short hauled and getting our Max prop installed. We've been motoring for the past year and a half with the factory prop, which is a fixed 3-blade prop, and we believe it's a little undersized. We never can quite get the speed that other 350 owners seem to be getting when they've upgraded props, so today's a big day because I think it's going to really increase our performance and the miles we can cover in a day, especially in the ICW. So I'm going to take y'all along with us.
We are on our way to Bert Jabin. We are getting our Max prop installed. Super excited. And also it's like really busy here because the boat show's this week, which we're also really excited about.
This is Sailing Vessel Perseverance on 7-1, Bert Jabin.
Go ahead.
We are coming in to get hauled out for a short haul to do a prop swap, and we just want to know where we should come in, which crane.
You out front of the marina?
We're just seeing the cranes now. Is there a place to tie up and wait, or should we just come into one of the wells?
Short haul for a prop swap.
After this short haul and pressure wash, we were noticing the gray barrier coat under our blue antifoul. We were curious, if our paint was properly applied, should a pressure wash remove this much in less than 6 months? Let us know in the comments below. But you can see that, like, these are the pressure wash lines. The paint we decided to go with was Seahawk BioCop. This should be a very high quality paint that should last you at least a season. This is the Max Prop Easy, which allows you to install, remove, grease, and change the pitch of the prop all while in the water. You can change the pitch with a bolt and a set screw, which we have done in the water ourselves. The prop also feathers, which means when we sail, the blades align with the flow of the water, allowing us to gain about a half knot of speed while sailing. Traditional fixed props do add quite a bit of drag when the engine's off, and the propeller is not moving.
All right, we just pulled out of the splash well at Bert Jabin, and we have our new max prop. Already seeing a difference. Josh is idling forward, and we got up to like 2.2 knots.
Which our idle's high, but we were idling like 1.2 knots before.
With the old fixed prop, yeah. So we're still here in the harbor, so we're not gonna. Oh my gosh, this boat is cute. Okay, that was a cute boat. Yeah, so we're trying to see. There's a fuel dock. I think it's further up. If there's a spot to top off our diesel and water. And then we're gonna go do some motoring to see how fast we go. But super excited. We were able to do everything on a short haul. We ran into a couple issues. The first being the key was too big, so they had to file that down.
Which they said was normal.
Just that was normal. And even the instructions said, you know, expect to maybe have to do this. But they've done max props before, so they were like ready to go. And then the second issue was the threads on our prop shaft were a little messed up, and so the new one wasn't threading on quite right. They were able to fix it with tapering. I don't know what the
like
term is.
Like
tap?
Whatever, fixes threads.
Yeah.
Nice name.
Straightens threads, I guess. So I guess maybe those threads were damaged when someone else, we've never done it, but someone else has taken the prop off or put it on. So
Which did get taken off like 6 months ago or something.
right. Well, like,
Or was that a year ago?
like we didn't.
Oh, yeah.
Like we hired people to do it, yeah. So who knows? But just a couple little hiccups. But we're in the water now. Props on. It's greased up, and I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how much faster this is.
There are so many boats here. We are going into the Annapolis Boat Show. It is Thursday.
This whole week's run together.
Thursday.
That's how you know you're boaters. You don't even know what day it is.
Let you know what?
If you're gonna talk to the let me know if you're gonna talk to the camera so I can provide some commentary.
He wanted a heads up, so I didn't give him any.
We never introduced you, so do you want to be introduced?
I guess. Sure.
This is our friend Alex, lives in Annapolis currently.
From Miami.
From Miami, yeah. And I don't know, tell us what you're doing here, I guess.
So I went to the Naval Academy, which is actually right back here. So that was a 4-year stint. Now I'm ensign, surface warfare designation. So I'll be going down to Norfolk soon to get on my first ship, a destroyer, DDG McFell, and then we'll do some patrols in Europe, make sure that freedom of the seas is still maintained.
Excellent. So we are wandering around with a few of our friends, and we're gonna see what do we have appointment for the 1600?
A Seawind.
Yep.
And a Exquisite. And a
HH? Is that
I don't know.
Helly Hansen or something? That's what you thought it was.
Oh, okay. One of those.
Catamaran though.
And
Big McMonagall.
yeah, or we might be making an appointment for a kinetic.
This is like I've never even seen half of these, so
Yeah.
like, even out in the world, I think you know what I mean.
So make appointments because you have to get on the schedule in order to go on some of these boats. We're gonna go on our first Seawind.
Colin, by the time we want to buy one of these, there's gonna be like a 4-year waiting list.
It's already 7.
Oh my Atlanta, really? This is our next purchase. We're not talking about the boat, we're talking about the launch ramp.
This genius space-saving laundry hamper. Never would have thought of that. like a full-size person.
Full-size child.
Full-size child.
Oh, walk through. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what we were talking about.
Yeah.
Do they shower share?
Shower share.
This is eMarine Systems. They're based in Fort Lauderdale. We've purchased 2 really nice LG panels and a few Victron items from them, and they usually have pretty fair prices, and they're extremely helpful if you have any questions. We definitely recommend them.
All right, so we picked up a Mantis chain hook and a dinghy light, 360 light, unexpectedly.
One you can wear on your head.
Yeah, we've been looking for them for a while.
So we'll look ridiculous, but we'll be legal in Key West where they try to pull you over all the time. It's better than the one you can get at West Marine or Amazon, so...
So now we're finding DC air conditioners. Here's the medic.
Gotta get there.
I got this. Hold my drink.
Quite enough up there.
Successful boat show. Back
Very.
to the boats.
We got stuff that we needed. I don't think we got any toys that we didn't need.
No toys we didn't need. We were strong.
Toys that we did need, though.
It was tempting.
It was tempting, yeah. But we did get toys that we didn't need with our 360 light.
With our-
Yeah, and nobody has to hold it. Yeah, or you wear it. We see our friends, they wear it around their head.
Oh,
yeah,
you
yeah.
They actually have it. Didn't they have it in the manual, a picture of that? Someone
They
who
did.
down.
Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. It's genius. Chris and Nate, that one is from you.
You gonna hop off?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thank you. So just back from the sailboat show, we are rafted up in Weems Creek and gonna grill out a little bit and just hang out, have some sundowners, and yeah.
Like butter. Every time.
Well, thanks for coming and showing us how raft up's done.
It was a pleasure. Hope we can do it soon, and I'm not stuck in Norfolk, so we'll see. I don't want to leave though. At least the flags are flying. You need to get your pride flag, and then I need to deliver that Navy flag. So.
Yeah, Josh, when are our pride flags gonna be sewn and ready to hoist?
When we're done going out every day and doing shit, yeah.
Well, thanks, Alex, for coming and rafting up. That was a major success. Only our second time ever rafting up, and first time ever leaving the boat slip rafted up while we went ashore for the boat show, which was awesome. As you can see, this anchorage is pretty tight and
It's
busy, yeah. So rafting up's a great way to, make
Safe.
friends and save space.
And it was it's super calm in this anchorage. Even out in the channel, nobody's speeding by. Even when big boats go by, it's a little rock when you're sideways, but nothing bad. It's a pretty great spot.
Yeah, it's so calm. I think I might need to inflate the paddleboard and go paddleboarding.
Yeah,
So, all right.
that's it. Till
Yeah.
next time. Heading
Back
south
to-
soon.
Heading south soon. We've got laundry to do, and maybe some provisioning to do. And
We should try to donate some stuff.
should try to donate some
Otherwise,
stuff.
It's probably gonna.
Ooh,
cost
we
us
should go to
more.
that consignment store.
Colin, we gotta go.
I better make another pot of coffee. Some more energy.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It really helps our channel grow. If you enjoy our content, please consider supporting us on Patreon.